In this video, I will be talking about how you can set up the student management system in your system. So I call the application as OpenCampusPro. Okay, so this video is dedicated for just setting the application up. I will show that how I will show the setup on Windows, and I'll show the setup on Linux. Okay, I'm not going to explain anything about that. I have already recorded videos for those, so you can also you can take a look on those particular videos. So those videos also have the setup part in them. Okay, little bit of I mean most of it have it, but I want to have a dedicated video just for this setting up the environment, and if anyone is facing issues with that. Okay, so uh, this is the project that I'm talking about. Okay, it's in my GitHub repo. So GitHub, the QSQL Open Campus Pro. Okay, so you can just go and you can just clone this, or maybe you can just download it, download the zip. Okay. What I will do is I will maybe I'll download the zip. Fine, it has downloaded. Okay, let me move this into the desktop over here. Fine. I've closed everything and I need to extract this. So I will go and extract all, extract. Pretty simple. Just do this. Okay. So this is the particular project that we are having. Okay. At the top, you can see. Okay. This is the zip file that we downloaded, and this is the extracted file. Okay. Maybe I can. Okay. Let's not. Maybe I can sort them based upon name or something. Okay. Or maybe I can. Let me stop this sorting part. Okay. Auto arrange, and maybe I can put this in the center. So this is the application we're talking about. Fine. If I just open this, open Campus Pro, and this is the directory. Okay. Now I will open in terminal. Now here is something you need to know. So I am using Git Bash on Windows. Okay. So something that is something you need to know. So if you haven't watched my setup videos, there is a video that I will attach maybe. Okay. Or it is there in the playlist. So I'm using Git Bash on Windows. If you don't know how to set this up, you can check that particular video and you will get to know how to set this up. Okay. The reason why I'm showing you is I want to show you the Python version that I'm having. Okay. So Python, just a minute. Let me do a quit. Okay. Python. Okay. So you can see the version of Python that I am having is 3.14.3. Okay. So you need to have Python present. Okay. 3.14.3. You need to have Python present and you need to have Node present. Okay. I am using 24.14.1. Okay. I think there is also a command to check the version. Yeah, 24.14.1. Yeah. So you need to have these applications, otherwise you won't be able to run it. Now, if you are on Windows, okay, I would encourage you to use PowerShell. I mean, you can use this one setup.sh, but I would encourage to use PowerShell. So if you are using PowerShell, okay, you might not be able to run with PowerShell. Okay, so you might face some problem with that because PowerShell will block you from executing scripts as a defensive mechanism. So what I would encourage, or I should what I would encourage you to do is you go and you type this command: set execution policy unrestricted scope current user. So what this will do, this will allow the scripts to run only for the current user who is logged in. Okay. So see, it is asking change execution policy. You can go ahead, you can read the policy, you can go ahead and learn more about this. But for me, I'll just do yes. Okay. Now, see, the thing is, you should not blindly do you should not blindly change the execution policy because someone says you. I would say, but when running any script, when running any PowerShell script, just open the particular script that you are running. Okay. maybe I want to run it with Sublime text, or maybe I just wanted to edit it. Okay, so maybe you just go through the script. Okay, or you can just use any kind of AI agent just to run through the script, so that you trust it, you know what the particular script is doing. So even if I open with the Sublime text, I'll just open. So this is a particular script. So I would just say, just go through the script to understand what the particular script is doing. Okay, since I developed the script, so okay, so I trust myself that there is nothing wrong in the particular script. So what I would do is, I have changed the execution policy, and now I can run the particular script. So I just go right click, run with PowerShell, and I'll just open and see, starting OpenCampusPro setup. It is setting up the prerequisite checks. Okay, it will set up your backend, like it will set up your environment, it will install all the libraries. Okay, then it will go into the front end and it will install the libraries for the front end. Okay, and it will run the backend, it will run the front end servers, both of them it will run, and it will open the application. So this is running the backend. Okay, now it is going to run the front end. See, it's running the front end. Okay, and I think it will open the application too, and it does. Okay, it does open the application. Okay, so there is one thing that I saw when I was running it. It says that there are 10 vulnerabilities present. Okay, I don't know whether I will target, I'll resolve this or not. Maybe you can resolve it if you want. Okay, maybe I will do it. Maybe I will do it, but don't need to worry about that. Okay, so this is how the application will run in the Windows environment. It is completely running just fine. You can sign up and it will work just fine. Dark mode is working. I believe the sign up, the sign in will work, and the sign up will work just fine. Like sign in won't work because there is no user present, but you have to sign up, and you have to then you have to sign in, or you have to do the student. I mean, put the student details, student teacher. I mean, it will be after doing the sign up, you will be able to log into the application. Okay. If your application is running and you are able to get the setup done, do press that like button, and I'll see you in an awesome upcoming programming video.